It's the morning after a party and you found a little prize that somebody left for you the night before. A little bit of vomit on your carpeting. I'm Cindy. I'm with Three's Company 2, and I'm going to show you how to remove the vomit from your carpeting. First thing is it's probably dry, so you want to get up what's on your carpeting. First thing you're going to do is grab your trusty paper towels, wipe up as much excess as possible. Use your vacuum cleaner. That helps pull up the gnat. Then what you want to use is some white vinegar, because that helps with the odor and it helps pull up the stain. So you're going to pretty much soak it. And white vinegar smells so much better than vomit. And then you're going to rub that in after you've let it sit for a few minutes. You're going to let that dry. Then again, you're going to use your vacuum. Once it's dry, you would use your vacuum again to pull it up. And then your carpet is clean from that horrible smell and debris left from the night before. So I'm Cindy. This was how to remove vomit from your carpeting, and hopefully you'll have a great day and vomit-free.